what's going on with y'all, man? I hope y'all having an amazing day today. As you can tell, your boy's in work gear. It's been a long day today. I got a 1325 box for y'all though, man. I'm just rushing because I'm supposed to be meeting someone to sell them a beater box, man. The amount of local love that I get is crazy. So shout out to him. I'm supposed to be meeting him in actually about 35 minutes to sell him a mystery box. Well, like I said, back to this one, 1325. Hopefully y'all can see me good. I'm just kind of rushing. Just walked in the door like 5 minutes ago. Already got homeboy's box built up and loaded up and ready to go, so that shouldn't be no problem. This knife is sharp, bro. 1325. I got 2 more boxes coming. Appreciate all the love and support on the last video. Oh, get my setup right. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start off with these brown boxes. Size 11 Yeezy 350s. Size 11 Yeezy Rails, Yeezy Reallys. I don't know the nickname to these. I think they Yeezy Rally or something like that. I still never got Yebras in a box. A 10.5 or 11. I've been wanting to hit those for some reason. That's one of my favorite ones. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. The zebra joints that still Volt color instead of black and white. They got that Volt color with the gum bottom. These right here, I'm flipping them. These right here, my size, but that's a lot of Volt right there. I think I'm cool on these. Not a bad pickup though, pretty good shape. Got another 350. Ooh, this box is loaded with 350s. Size 11 on these. Oh, see from the title, from the box, these are the Citron. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Size 11, possibly the same owner. These are not dead stock. I see a little dirt, but look at the bottom of these. These are crazy. Super clean pair. Size 11. Great size, great condition. Box is in good shape. That's like easy sales. They don't really get no easier than that. Let's go with a Jordan, man. Jordan 11. I was not expecting that in this box. Jordan 11 retro low, size 13. We got the light bone snake joint, size 13. These are pre-owned. So I'm gonna pull out both of them so y'all can check them out. Not beaters at all. These are in really good shape too. Size 13 and 11 low. These are pretty dope. I think this is my first time having these. Pretty sure this is my first time having these. I'll show y'all the bottom, man. Check out the bottom on these. I'm not mad at it. Boom. All right. We got a weird box here. Super Earth. SST AEC Super Earth SW. Size 11.5. No idea what these are. But they are dead stock. Oh my goodness. What is this? What are these? Super Earth. Size 11. I'm not gonna take out both of these because they both look equally as bad. Look at that. What is this? My bad, y'all. I'm just kind of speechless on these. Size, I've never seen these before. Size 11.5. I'm sure they got their place somewhere. It just seemed like that right there just would get in the way. I'm trying to see if something will tell me more about these. Got the extra laces in here. I'm dropping everything, yeah. Super Earth, this shoe alone will not save the planet. Yada, 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 not telling me nothing. They dead stock though, size 11.5. If that's your swag, let me know. We got 3 boxes left. I'm gonna get this other Yeezy out the way. These are a size 10, 350 V2, okay. Another easy mover. We got the zebras, size 10. These are very clean. God, look at that. Almost, I mean, I can't say almost dead stock. There's a little dirt on the bottom, but these are super clean. Still got the full Adidas Yeezy on the insole right there. I mean, that's just easy sales all day with those. We got 2 boxes left. This box is huge. Air Jordan. This is a size 16. These are a retro 11 though. I thought it was gonna be a 10. For some reason, I was thinking powder blue 10s when I seen the box. But these are Legend Blues. Dead stock. Man, y'all know how hard these would have been to move if these were used. Size 16. Wow. Size 16. I haven't had a pair of size 16s. I think the biggest I've got in a box was a 15. I don't think I've had 16. I mean, luckily they are an 11. They are dead stock, so it still will probably go easily on Gold or StockX or something. Cause I don't know nobody here that wear this size. I don't. Unless you've been watching me for a while and I just never have your size 16. Now I have your size 16. We got 1 pair left. If these were my size, I'm going to keep them. They are not my size. I got rid of mine when they first came out. It's one of my favorite ones. I know it's not an OG colorway. These are size 11 and a half. I prefer a 10 and a half in my 11s. Yeah, I would have kept these. These are in pretty good shape. A little dirt on the bottom, but not a lot of creasing in the patent leather. Still got the full 23 on the back. Another easy mover, size 11 and a half. Then that's gonna conclude this box, man. This was a $13.75 box. And every shoe in here is probably a decent, easy mover besides the size 16s, which I'm sure they're gonna go to StockX. They probably already got offers on them. And then the Super World unfinished stitched Adidas that I pulled out, which luckily those are dead stock too. So hopefully they got some offers on them. They might be worth $1 million and I don't know, but they probably not. And I'm probably gonna be sitting on them for a minute because they look the way they look. But it's all good, y'all. Size, I mean, a $13.25 box. I'm rushing, my bad for the rush video. I'm trying to get these videos out to y'all. Appreciate all the love and support from the last video. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and TGOTSOLE for sale at the locals. Quit buying up everything. Hopefully I can, now I still got a ton of inventory. I just haven't had time to fill that page up the way it should be. Like I said in the last video, I'm working on something what I consider big. So just give me some time, get that stuff cracking. I know my setup is a little weird right now, man, but I appreciate y'all rocking with me, watching each video that your boy put out. I think that's it. I think that is it. I'm gonna get out y'all face. I'm out. Peace.